Alright traders, welcome back to MarketPulse USA. In today's video, we're breaking down the US market update, key SPY and QQQ levels for tomorrow, today's top movers, and quick setups on Tesla, Apple, and Nvidia. If you trade the US market daily, this video is for you. Let's get started. Let's start with today's market recap. The US market closed mixed to slightly higher. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq held their gains, while volatility remains elevated. Buyers continue to defend key support zones, which tells us the overall structure is still intact, but this is not a chase market. Why market moved? Today's move was largely driven by earnings reactions and sector rotation. Some stocks rallied hard, while others sold off, which tells us this is a stock picker's market, not a broad rally. That's why levels and risk management matter more than ever. SPY levels and plan. Now let's talk about SPY, because this sets the tone for the entire market. SPY support zones. First support is around 688. Below that, the next key support is 682. If selling pressure increases, the deeper support sits near 678. So SPY support is 688, 682, 678. SPY resistance zones. On the upside, resistance is near 691. Above that, the next major resistance is 696. SPY plan. If SPY holds above 688 and shows strength, continuation is possible. But if SPY rejects near 691, expect pullbacks, not breakouts. Trade confirmation, not hope. QQQ levels and plan. Now let's move to QQQ, which tracks tech, and tech controls momentum. QQQ support. Support is around 618. Below that, the next support is 612. QQQ resistance. Resistance sits near 622. Above that, watch 626. QQQ plan. Above 622, tech stays strong. But a rejection there can send QQQ back towards 618 or even 612. Always watch QQQ alongside SPY. They confirm each other. Top 3 movers today. Now let's talk about what traders love most. Top movers. Top mover number 1, RGC. Regencell Bioscience showed explosive momentum today with heavy volume. Top mover number 2, USAR. USA Rare Earth rallied hard as the sector gained attention. Top mover number 3, CRML. Critical metals also showed strong volatility and momentum. Quick reminder, these are high-risk momentum stocks. Trade smaller size, use stops, and don't overtrade. TSLA, AAPL, and Nvidia setups. Tesla, TSLA. Let's start with Tesla. Tesla remains a high beta stock. Support is near 440 and 433. Resistance is around 450 to 470. Tesla needs volume to break resistance. Otherwise, expect chop. Apple, AAPL. Apple is more stable, but very important for market direction. Support sits around 248 to 245. Resistance is near 251 to 255. If Apple holds support, the broader market stays healthy. Nvidia, NVDA. Nvidia, the tech leader. Support is around 184 and 178. Resistance sits near 186 to 192. When Nvidia is strong, tech usually follows. Beginner lesson. Before you trade tomorrow, here's the psychology reminder. A green day does not mean all in. The biggest mistake traders make is FOMO trading. Wait for the level. Wait for confirmation. Then execute with discipline. Beginner tip. A bullish engulfing candle at support is a high probability setup. But a random bullish candle in the middle of nowhere? That's usually a trap. That's your full US market plan for tomorrow. If you want daily SPY and QQQ levels, top movers, and clean trading insights, follow MarketPulse USA. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next update. Not financial advice.